Hello, maintenance and operations enthusiasts. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to explore a hot topic, the impact of the US-China trade war on oil prices. We'll delve into the economic ripples caused by this trade conflict and how it influences the oil industry. We'll also discuss some best practices that oil companies can use to stay afloat in these turbulent times. So, stick around if you're interested in learning about the strategic role of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, and how it can make a significant difference in your operations. The volatility of negotiations keeps oil prices on a roller coaster. When it seems like a resolution is just around the corner, oil prices start to climb. But when tensions flare up, prices take a nosedive. But the ripple effect of this trade war goes beyond just oil prices. It's also shaking up the economy as a whole. When tariffs push prices up, consumers have to dig deeper into their pockets, which means they have less to spend elsewhere. This slows down the entire economy, and as a result, the demand for oil also decreases. So how is the oil industry responding to this volatility? According to EY, a global consulting organization, the key is focusing on long-term operational strategies. Continuous improvement and operational excellence are the lifelines that can help the industry navigate these choppy waters. Here's a pro tip for oil companies. A computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS for short, can give you a better grip on your operations. This can help you zero in on areas where you can cut costs and boost performance, especially when the market is bouncing around like a ping pong ball. Now let's talk about the top maintenance issue for most oil and gas companies, keeping pumping systems in tip-top shape. A couple of common problems are pumps and breastplates that are either the wrong size or not installed correctly. Contamination and lubrication issues with pumps are also frequent headaches. And if seals and gaskets fail, you're looking at some serious equipment problems. But there's good news. A centralized computer system like a computerized maintenance management system combined with mobile technology can be a game changer for operational excellence. Imagine having sensor technology that monitors your systems around the clock and sends alerts before a major incident happens. You can schedule preventive maintenance to cut down on emergency work requests, saving both time and money. Plus, fewer accidents and incidents means a safer environment for everyone. Here's another pro tip. Quality analytic reports can be a game changer for facilities managers. This data can help you make smart, long-term decisions about what needs to be prioritized, and it can be a lifesaver when it comes to meeting the auditing requirements of regulatory agencies. To wrap up, we've discussed the impact of the US-China trade war on oil prices and the economy, and highlighted the importance of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, in navigating these challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, with the right strategies and tools, the oil industry can weather any storm.